Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Chinese with Diana. Last lesson, we learned 7 simple finals. Let's have a quick review first. Please prepare a mirror to check if the shape of your mouth is right. Okay, let's start. Please read after me. Ah, round shape. Next one. O, ellipse. Next one. Half circle. Next one. E, smile. Next one. U, the shape like kiss. Next one. Ü,
It's similar to
U, but it sounds like ew together, faster. I, U, Ü. The last one. R, roll your tongue first. And then the shape of your mouth like R. Got it? Good job! Today we will learn 23rd
initials.
Are you ready? Let's start. Let's see the first line. Po, po, mo, fo. We'll read this line. Sounds like there's o at end. So the shape of your mouth is like ellipse. Let's try again. Please read after me. Po, po. Next one. Po, po. Next one. Mo, mo. F, f. Will you pronounce f? Please note, put your upper teeth on under lip. Please read after me. F, f. Got it? Good job. Let's read it again. Po, po, mo, f. Got it? Good. Next line. Da, ta, na, la. When you read this line, sounds like there's a at end. Still remember the shape of the is, yes, you're right, it's a half circle. So, da, ta, na, la. When you read this line, the mouth finish with a. The shape is like half circle. Got it? Good job. 你很棒哦。Next line. This line is also like a at end, like g, k, h. So the shape of your mouth is also like half circle. Let's read together. G, g, k, k, h, h. Got it? Yes, good job. 你很棒哦。Okay, let's say this line. 滋, 吃, 思. We'll read this line. Sounds like there's e at end. When you read e, you have to smile first. Smile. Follow me. 滋, 吃, 思. We'll read z, sounds like English words. So you get z. We'll read c, sounds like English words. Cats. So many air goes out from your teeth. ts. Got it? And S is S. So S is similar
to
English pronunciation. For example, yes, S, S. Got it? Yes, let's read faster. Smile, follow me. Z, C, S. Got it? Yes, good job. 你很棒哦。Okay, let's say this line. 知, 吃, 诗, 日. Yes, when you read this line, your mouth, like a flower, you have to open your mouth. And your teeth should be together. Teeth. And you have to roll your tongue first. Roll your tongue. And then teeth together and open your mouth. Try. 知, 知. This is similar pronunciation
to
the English words. Judge, 知. CH is similar
to
church, church, 吃. SH is similar
to
English words. Shirt, so 诗, 诗. R is similar
to
English words. Wrong, wrong, so R. Okay, let's read them together. Roll your tongue first and teeth together. Open your mouth. So 知, 吃, 诗, 日. When you read this line, the shape of your mouth don't need to move. Got it? Don't need to move. It's the same shape. 知, 吃, 诗, 日. Got it? Yes? Good job! Okay, now let's see the last two initials, Y and W. Y is same pronunciation as I in Chinese Pinyin. So it's smile first, smile. Let's read together. E. Please read after me. E. Good job. Next one. W is same pronunciation as U in Chinese Pinyin. So it's U. U. The shape of your mouth like kiss. U. Got it? Yes. Good job. 你很棒哦。So that's all for this lesson. If you have any questions, please contact me via my email, Wechat, or Skype. See you next time on Learn Chinese with Dana. 再见. See you.